Hello! In this video we're going to show you how to add some cool animations and effects to your videos for free.
Some of them are quite realistic too, like this squirt gun effect.
So realistic.
Oh, that was real.
Hello guys. One of the questions that we always get asked is, how do we do those fun animations that we have in all of our videos? Like Pete's fireball hands, or the blood splatter, or whatever this is meant to be.
The truth is, we have a video editor. Say hello, Christina. She uses Final Cut Pro, which is a professional editing tool for video, and it has lots of cool effects and video animations built in. But if you're just getting started and you're using something like iMovie or HitFilm, then how do you actually go about adding these cool effects?
Because remember, these animations or effects are super important for keeping up retention, which we talked about in the infamous Mankini video over there.
Treat yourself to that one.
And when it comes to DIYing them, to be honest, we just didn't have an answer for you, did we? We didn't have an answer for you.
So long.
We're going to be honest, hands up, we did not know how to do this.
No.
But we got asked it so much, like a lot. We thought we need to do some digging, and we came across this awesome website called productioncrate.com. And there's loads and loads and loads of cool stuff on this website for your video projects, but one thing it has is video special effects that you can actually download and add to your videos. Things like explosions and blood splatters and arrows pointing at cool stuff. And even really specific YouTube call to action animations too. Super fast demo, let's jump in and show you how it works. So this is productioncrate.com. If you hover over the menu, there's loads of different visual effects and other cool stuff here. For example, if you want to click on explosions, and then what you're fancying, Pete, with this one.
Okay.
Looks very hot. Now, all the ones that aren't starred are free to download once you have an account, and you can roll over to preview what these are like. And when you want to download them, you just hit that download button. You can also search for things. For example, let's go for blood. There's a lot of blood, Pete.
Oh, yes. Some of these are for free, but for just $69.99 a year, you can get access to absolutely everything. And you can even download up to 50 items a day. Now that's a lot of blood splatters.
All my dreams have come true. Once you have downloaded these are basically just video files with a transparent background that you can lay over your actual video files in your editing software. For example, in iMovie, you can just drag your visual effect onto your video and just place it where you want it. Like this.
Boom. And if you want to move these effects around rather than being full screen, if you put it in picture, if we put it over here, now the missile will be over there. Go check it out. I'll put the link in the description below, and let us know if you found any video animation effect websites that we don't know about.
Also, please subscribe to this channel while you are down there to get more of our faces in your faces every single week.
He's been Andrew.
He's been Pete. And if you don't want to use this tool, you're just going to have to stick to the realistic ones. Aren't you? See you next time. He's so mad at me now. Pete, are you okay?